My interior GenStone project started with a bare wall. I did a 2x4 stud build out for the chimney. The mantle was already in place, so I had to pull that out, build out the 2x4 stud frame, and I covered it with GenStone. Project's overall framing was the longest part of it, pulling the mantle off and doing the mantle replacement, but overall I used corners and panels, and it turned out absolutely amazing. This started as just a bare gold wall with a mantle on it, and as you can see, it turned out very nice. And with the corner pieces, it actually worked out really nice with the build out to have a floor to ceiling, a faux chimney with the fireplace built in. This is my back deck. This project was a little bit more difficult. It's on backer board. What made it difficult is that the slope of the pavers is not incremental. It actually slopes heavy in some areas and not so heavy in others. So this took a lot of measuring and cutting and trial and error. And then I used the GenStone trim pieces and kind of fabricated those in to make the corners look a little bit more appealing aesthetically. And then ultimately, as you can see here, I've got a whole retaining wall where there will be a deck and above ground pool in that area, and this will eventually all be covered in the same GenStone, as well as my fire pit over here. So those are my next year projects for GenStone. Currently I have my exterior deck done, and then also, as you saw before, my interior fireplace. The fireplace cover in GenStone maybe took 3 hours at tops. It was very simple. This project probably took a whole weekend just because I mentioned the slope. It was very difficult to manage.